ready for an unforgettable experience. The thunderous roar of engines, the sharp crack of timber, and the breathtaking sight of massive trees crashing down in seconds. This video takes logging to a whole new level. Don't miss it.
This guy is cutting a tree 23 feet up, then bam! A massive branch crashes down, slamming him back in an instant. Absolutely terrifying. Incredible! The Fiat Alice W20 loader skillfully stacks massive logs with a 2.6-foot diameter onto the truck. Tons of wood, neatly arranged with ease. At a freezing 1 degree Fahrenheit, a 200 HP tractor carefully loads 40.000 pounds of logs onto the conveyor. The cold won't slow it down. The T150 tractor is struggling to tow the Kamaz 6520. Packing 400 horsepower and carrying 44.000 pounds of cargo. Up a snowy hill, but it doesn't seem to be helping much, haha. The Komatsu 901XC, with 811 pound-feet of torque, grips, cuts, and processes a 33-foot tree in seconds. Smooth logs, ready for transport, pure efficiency. The Mercedes-Benz 1725, packing 250 HP, is straining under a massive 40-ton load on its way to the mill. If this truck could talk, it'd say, "Oh, my bad, haha." Oh no. This 300 HP crane loses balance and tips over while trying to lift a massive 50-foot tree onto the truck. What a disaster. The Liebherr L580, with 350 horsepower, lifts between 16.000 and 22.000 pounds per grab. Just look at that wood grapple, it's like the jaws of a giant beast. The John Deere 6068H, packing 200 HP, is lifting 66.000 pounds of freshly harvested logs and neatly stacking them onto the truck with precision. This homemade saw looks simple, but with 150 HP, it's no joke. A 10-foot red Meranti plank gets sliced effortlessly in seconds. Small but mighty, haha. At the lumber mill, workers operate a powerful 150 HP saw to process a massive 3.3-foot Meranti log. A truly satisfying sight. The KRAZ 6322 is stuck in the snow, struggling to break free. Luckily, the mighty Yamal B6, packing a massive 5.000 HP, arrives to pull it out of trouble. A homemade wood splitter with a unicorn-inspired design and just 4 hydrogen phosphide, yet it effortlessly splits 16-inch logs. Would you want one? This manual wood splitter has a simple design. Look at that. The old man splits a 12-inch log faster than an axe. And the best part? No electricity bill. Bad luck for this truck. It got crushed by a 26-foot tree. These two guys are working hard to rescue it. Let's see how they handle this. The Vermeer HG6800TX, with 3.000 pound-feet of torque, shreds massive 16-inch logs in the blink of an eye. What an absolute beast! The Comptech Chippo 8010C, with 3.000 pound-feet of torque, shreds massive 24-inch logs into chips in no time. The Carlton 4012 Stump grinder, with 52 pound-feet of torque, smoothly grinds down a massive 60-inch stump with precision and ease. My dad used to spend hours digging out stumps. Now, with the Rayco RG 1645 and 115 pound-feet of torque, a 20-inch stump is gone in just 4 minutes. What a revolution! The Pond's Scorpion King, with 1.500 pound-feet of torque, dominates 33-foot trees, slicing them into perfect logs with ease. Oh no, this isn't a road, it looks just like a stream. The powerful Valtra tractor, packing 250 HP, is pushing through, hauling 5 tons of logs across the water.